Alright guys, it's Paul5345 here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get iMessage on any device. Alright, it's iMessage for the iPhone, iPad, iPod. It can be on any of those devices, and you can get it on pretty much any device that you can log onto the internet with and enter an address, like your Android phone, your Android tablet, a laptop, a desktop, even your Nintendo DS. Anything that you can go on the internet with and enter an address. Alright, so the first thing that you have to do is jailbreak your iPhone, which you can tell I have it jailbroken right there, because we're going to need an app called Cydia, which will just automatically come onto your phone once you jailbreak it. So to jailbreak it, we're going to have to move to the computer. The site is Evasion 7. It's for 7.0 and above iOS's. I will put the link in the description. But the jailbreak process is pretty self-explanatory. You just plug in your phone to the computer and it automatically does it for you. So I don't need to go through the whole jailbreak process. You can look on this site, look for directions, but it automatically does it for you pretty much. Just find the download link, which is it's somewhere around. Just click. It's right here. Just click whichever kind of laptop you have or anything. And just plug in your iPhone to the computer like you normally would. Make sure you back it up. It's never happened to me, but it could happen. Something bad can happen to your phone during the jailbreak process, and you could lose some stuff. So just make sure you have it backed up on iTunes. Alright, so I don't need to go through that because it's really easy to jailbreak. But once you have all that done, just go into your phone and go into the Cydia app. Because now that we're in Cydia, we're going to need to find an app called Remote Messaging. Remote Messages 7.0. It's going to be in this one source that I will show you how to get. Alright, so once you first start up Cydia, I'll have here, I'll start downloading all that stuff. I don't need that. Ignore. So what you're going to want to do is go into Manage down here at the bottom. Right there, and then go into Sources. And I've already got the source, but I will put the I will put the URL for that source in the description, and then you can just put in your phone. How you get that is go to Edit, Add, and then that's where you enter the source. I will put the address in the description of this video. Alright, so once you're done, then we go into the source. Hold on, my hand's shaking. Alright, you go into the source and scroll down to Remote Messages, which you have right there. Alright, from there you're going to install it. I've already got it installed. It's not going to open up like an app or anything. It'll probably restart your phone, but it's not going to have an app here on the screen. You got to go into your settings, and from the top just scroll down. Make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi. Scroll down and Remote Messages. You don't need data or anything. Like my phone doesn't have data or anything. I'm just connected to Wi-Fi, and this will still work. Alright, let me unenable that so I can show you how to do it. Alright, so the first thing that you'll have to do is set up a username and password, or you can just turn off use authentication, but you should probably just use it. Mine username is just admin, password. Simple. Now right there it'll show the current IP of your iPhone, which is what you're going to have to use to log into the iPhone from any address. Then the server port, which you're also going to need. So once you have all that, just press enable, and it'll show a little loading thing, and it'll set it up for you. Boom, it's set up really fast for me because I've done it before. Just remember that current IP, or just have your phone on when you're logging in, because now we're going to switch to my laptop, or you can use any device you want. Alright, so I'll be logging in with that and then my server port. See, the screen's cracked, so that's why I don't want to use that anymore. Alright, so now we switch to the laptop, which you're just going to have to go into the address on any web browser and type in the server IP that was just on that. Let's see if I can get this focus. Alright, so mine was 10.0.0.23:333. You put a colon, then whatever your server port is, and just hit enter. Alright, and it'll pop up with this dialog box asking for authentication. This is where you put in whatever password and stuff was. Mine was admin and password. Press OK, or just enter. Alright, don't want to remember the password. Alright, it's making me do it again. Admin, password. Alright, you can even have it send notifications. Sure, show me some notifications. So it'll like send it to your home screen, and right here you have a list of all the conversations that were on your iPhone. I'll just go to my mom's and show you, because I think it's just her asking me about clothes. It has all the pictures, all your past conversations, so you can see all the stuff you talk about on your iPhone, and it'll all load it on whatever device you want. You can send pictures, emojis. You can choose whether you can send files, PDFs. You can choose whether or not you want notifications to like go to your, like it'll send notifications to my desktop screen and tell me if I got a new message or not. And up here it'll show you, for some reason it's all grayed out right now. Hold on. But up here it'll show you like your phone's Wi-Fi, its battery, its cellular data. There's an X next to mine because I've got mine data turned off. But right there it's got cellular signal and the battery and everything. Alright, and that's pretty much how you get Android on any device. For any device, you just got to do the same exact thing, type that in, and it'll bring you to it. I can do it on my Android phone, which I'm recording this video with. And you can still use your iPhone too if you want and use iMessage, but it'll send it to everything. And that's pretty much the basics, or not the basics, that's just how you do it. Alright, if you need any help, leave a comment below, I'll reply. And if this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe and tell me what you want next. Alright, see ya.